Prepare to be mesmerized by the mind-blowing capabilities of an AI text generator. This cutting-edge technology has transcended the boundaries of human imagination, ushering us into a new era of creativity and linguistic marvels. At its core, an AI text generator is a marvel of machine learning and natural language processing. Trained on vast amounts of diverse textual data, this AI-powered wonder has absorbed the collective knowledge and linguistic nuances of countless written works. With each iteration, it refines its understanding of language and context, honing its ability to generate text that is remarkably coherent and expressive. What makes this AI text generator truly mind-blowing is its capacity to emulate the style, tone, and even the idiosyncrasies of different authors or genres. It can seamlessly transition from crafting eloquent poetry to drafting technical manuals with precision and expertise. With a few prompts, it can conjure up gripping narratives that rival the works of celebrated authors. But the mind-bending capabilities of this AI text generator go beyond mimicry. It possesses the extraordinary ability to explore uncharted territories of creativity. Unburdened by the limitations of human biases and preconceptions, it fearlessly ventures into unexplored linguistic landscapes, crafting sentences and concepts that elude conventional thinking. Prepare to have your understanding of human creativity challenged as you witness the AI text generator produce thought-provoking ideas, clever wordplay, and even philosophical musings. It weaves tales that captivate the imagination, delves into complex subjects with finesse, and effortlessly molds language to evoke emotion. However, amid the awe-inspiring prowess of this AI text generator, it's important to remember that it still relies on the information it has been trained on. While it excels at generating text, it lacks genuine consciousness and understanding. It's a tool, an incredibly powerful one, but one that requires human guidance and curation to ensure ethical and responsible use. In summary, the mind-blowing AI text generator is a testament to the tremendous strides made in artificial intelligence. It pushes the boundaries of what we thought possible, enabling us to explore the realms of language and creativity in ways we could only dream of before. Brace yourself for a journey into a world where imagination and innovation intertwine, and prepare to be awed by the extraordinary capabilities of this AI marvel.